Alright, here is video 3, and I'm going to do a question from section 3, linear inequality systems graphically. So let's select on that. And here it is. So this one I don't have to take a screenshot. I'm just going to show you how you can graph these. So it says solve the following system of inequalities graphically on the set of axes below. State the coordinates of a point in the solution set. So I'm going to look at this first inequality and graph it first. Notice it has a y-intercept of 3. So that's why I start on these, is on your y-intercept. So I just click on 3. And it has a slope of 1. So it's just going to go up 1 over 1. So you're going to click on another point that is on the line. So I'm going to click right there. And it does draw the line for you. You can move. If you get the wrong point, you should be able to move that point, or you click it again to get rid of it. But it's pretty easy to get it on the right point. So there is my line. Okay, there's 2 other things we need to do for it. First of all, we want to decide if it is a dotted line or a solid line. So this is what a solid line looks like. I can click on this change line right here, so right there, and it's going to go from solid to dotted. Since we have a greater than symbol, we want it to be dotted. And then we need to decide which side of the line we want to shade. And we do that by clicking this change shade button right here. And since it is a greater than, we want to shade above the line. So that's my first line done. Then I'm going to look at this second inequality. Right here, and I need my y-intercept is at -6, and it has a slope of -2, so that means I'm going to go down to right 1, and there is my line. Double check, it's a negative slope, so it is going downhill. I did go down to right 1, so I should be good. This is got the equal sign under my inequality, so it's less than or equal to. So I do want my line, oh, I lost it. Try it again. I do want my line to be solid right there. Now, which side do I need a shade? Well, this is a less than, so I want to shade underneath the line. Okay, so I have my graph drawn, and there's one more thing it wants me to do. It wants to state the coordinates of a point in the solution set. So my solution set is where they are both shaded. So that is this section on the far left of the graph that is below, is to the left of that line and above the dotted line. So to the left or below the solid line and above the dotted line. That is my section that is a solution to both inequalities. So I can select any point in there. I'm just going to pick -7. I just use the subtract sign to get a negative, and I'm going to click on the y coordinate. I'm just going to pick a y coordinate right here of 2. And then I'm going to submit my answer, yes. And I was correct. See, they picked a different point. They picked -9.3, but it still gave me that my answer was correct, as long as your point is in that shaded region.